This is your video for foreign currency exchange. Remember that the exchange rate is the price that you pay when one currency is purchasing another currency. And all currencies can be used or bought and sold with one another in the open market. When a currency is in demand, we call it appreciating. This basically means the price of the currency is going up or is becoming stronger. And when a currency is not in demand or people are getting rid of it, we call it depreciation, or the currency is weakening. This also means that it's getting lower in price. Here on the right, you'll notice you have a graph. This is a graph of the US dollar against the euro. So down here in the right-hand corner, it says quantity of US dollars. The vertical axis is exchange rate, which is the price of the currency. In this case, how many euros it would take to purchase each US dollar. And then you have a typical supply and demand line. An increase in the exchange rate can happen by either demand rising or supply going down. If the currency is to increase in exchange rate, all that means is that you would now take more euros to purchase up each dollar. Here you have an example of exchanging currencies. We have a dollar graph on the right-hand side, and you have a euro graph on the left-hand side. You'll notice that on the euro graph, now our vertical axis is how many dollars it would take to purchase up 1 euro. If we are to say that an American travels to France, France of course uses the dollar, and as an American, they would have to get rid of some of their US dollars and purchase up euros. Now, when this exchange happens, both of these graphs are going to shift at the same time. Now, they're going to be demanding euros. So when anybody demands something, the price of it goes up. And you'll see here when we shift demand to the right, the exchange rate for the euro rises. That means that it takes more dollars now to purchase each euro. On the right-hand side on the dollar graph, the person or the American is going to be giving up their excess supply of dollars to the exchange bank. That bank is now going to have excess dollars that are not in demand. That excess supply is going to make the exchange rate for the US dollar go down or depreciate. Anytime you're exchanging one currency for another, one will have to appreciate while the other one depreciates. Number 6 on your active learning page. All right, answers. Question number 1. Which of the following is most likely to benefit from an appreciation of the US dollar in the short run? You should have answered D, US tourists traveling to US dollar depreciates in comparison with the Japanese yen. Which of the following is most likely to occur? That would be A, US exports to Japan will increase.